3,
Yeah, this is me
2,
trying to prepare my
1.
favorite Thai dish, kapao, with some beef. Stay with me and see how I do it. Alright, time to start the main cooking. Smells nice. Nice aroma. I love this. This is one of my favorite Thai foods because I love meat. Yeah. Wow, starting to look good, ain't it? Here comes the secret recipe. Aroy, tastes really good. I love the aroma of these leaves, man. This kapao leaf, they smell so nice. Finally, the food is ready and it tastes great. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.